Hi, my name is Julia Perlis, and I'm a Principal Product Manager with the Workflow Automation team. And today we're going to talk about decision tables. One of the questions we commonly encounter is, what do I need to install or activate on the platform to use decision tables? We'll answer that here. The decision table user interface is part of an application called Decision Builder and is available on the ServiceNow store. The Decision Builder product is auto-installed and activated in all instances from Tokyo forward. Starting in Washington, users will build decision tables in Workflow Studio, which is also an auto-installed store application. Before Washington, you can access decision tables through the Decision Builder module. Starting in Washington, you will access decision tables from the Workflow Studio module. How do I get the most up-to-date features for my decision tables? Whenever you upgrade to a new family release, look for and install any updates to the Decision Builder application and the Workflow Studio application in System Applications. As you can see here in my instance, I have the most up-to-date versions of most apps, but here in the Application Manager is where you can go to check whether there are available updates for Decision Builder or for Workflow Studio. For any instances that are operating before Washington, you don't need to look for Workflow Studio. As I mentioned, that is part of the Washington family release. Thank you for your time. I hope this answered the question of, what do I need to install or activate on the platform to use decision tables?